Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today is going to be a test drive of the 63 Falcon Sprint. I changed the carburetor, intake, adjusted the clutch, shifter, set the timing. A lot of changes, so I need to see how it drives. So I'm going to go out for a little run and check all that stuff. Got it out in the sunshine again. Of course, the sun's on the other side. Great once those moldings go back on there. Okay, time to go for a little road test. Back from the test drive. It runs great. Thing seems to have a lot of power for 260. Lots of torque. The carburetor is working just perfect. Starts right up. Works nice. The clutch works nice. The customer complaint was it didn't want to go into first gear. It goes into first, third, fourth. Second's kind of iffy. But man, it's a beautiful car. Rides nice, drives nice, goes straight, feels solid. Very nice. That's going to be the episode of this day. It's not even a day working on the car. It's just a test drive day. Thanks for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Bye.